So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play a quiz. In the comment box, you gotta comment me how much score did you get out of 20 questions. Please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Your first question is: in my aquarium, the big fish dashed the small fish yesterday. Eat, eat, eaten. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is it. The word yesterday indicates the past, that's why verb second form ate will be correct. Your next question is: as soon as I dashed home, it started to rain heavily. Get, got, have gotten. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is got. The correct answer is got because it is the past tense form of the verb get, because tense is in the past. That's why correct answer is got. Your next question is: I dash on this project for days without success. Have been working, have been worked, has been working. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is have been working. The correct answer is have been working. This is because the sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense, indicating an ongoing action that started in the past and is still happening in the present. Your next question is: dash hard until I passed a TOEFL. Will study, study, had study. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is will study. The correct answer is will study because the sentence is in the future tense and expresses the future action of studying. That's why a correct answer is will study. Your next question is: what what would the correct pronoun be? Birds flap dash wings. It, his, their. Time starts now. And the correct answer is their. The correct pronoun is their because it is the possessive pronoun that agrees with the plural noun birds. Your next question is: what would the correct pronoun be? My grandparents live in Mumbai. Dash visit us often. They, their, he. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is they. The correct answer is they. This plural subject pronoun refers back to grandparents, also a plural noun. Your next question is: what would the correct pronoun be? Dash are not my keys. We, these, he. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is these. Correct answer is these. These is a demonstrative pronoun used for indicating specific objects close to the speaker. Your next question is: Dash has always trusted her boyfriend. I, she, he. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is she. The correct answer is she. This pronoun is needed to indicate that the subject of the sentence is female. Your next question is: John is my friend. I gave Dash my books. Him, it, his. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is him. The correct answer is him because this pronoun is an object pronoun referring to John, the male subject. Your next question. He dashed to class this morning because he was sick. Didn't come. Hadn't come. Haven't come. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is didn't come. The correct answer is didn't come. Your next question is: She is a good painter. This painting is dash. Her, hers, his. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is hers. The correct answer is hers because this possessive pronoun denotes ownership, linking the painting discussed to the female. Your next question is: What's the plural of child? Children, children's, child's. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is children. The plural of child is children because it follows the regular pluralization rule in English where the ending en is added to the singular form. Your next question is: What's the plural of woman? Women's, women, women. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is woman. The plural of woman is woman, which involves changing the internal vowel sound rather than adding letters. Your next question is: What's the plural of mouse? Mice, mouses, mousies. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is mice. The plural form of mouse is mice, following an irregular pluralization pattern in which the internal vowel changes to indicate plurality. Your next question is: Plural of bush. Bushes, bushes, bushies. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is bushes. The plural of bush is bushes for nouns ending in sh, ss, Z, X, and S. We add es to form the plural. Your next question is, what's the plural of baby? Babes, babies, babies. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is babies. The plural of baby is babies, following the rule that when a noun ends in a consonant plus y, we change y to I and add es. Your next question is, which of the following is a noun? Book, sing, angry. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is book. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. In this case, book is a noun because it represents a thing. Your next question is, which noun represents a place? Teacher, market, wisdom. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is market. A market is a specific location which makes it a noun representing a place. Your next question is, which of the following is a plural noun? People, tiger, bee. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is people. The word people is a plural noun because it refers to more than one person. That's why our correct plural noun is people. Your next question is, which of the following is a proper noun? Animal, Obama, hammer. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is Obama. Obama is a proper noun because it refers to a specific person. Thank you, friends. If you liked my session, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and also comment me in the comment box how much score did you get out of 20 questions. Please watch the video. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.